Yo guys. Oh, what was that? This is gonna be a trading journal. This is part two. Part one I didn't actually upload. Don't really know why. It wasn't laziness or anything. It was I just don't think I really liked it. So what I talked about last week, or the week before now I think, was more broad. I'm getting rich. Well, not yet. Going to. So, yeah, the first week, like I was saying, I talked more broadly about drop shipping and, looking into real estate and stuff. But now, this is going to be a trading journal because that's what I'm certain on. It's what I feel. It's not going to be the easiest, nowhere near, but it's just going to be. It just seems like something that I have stuck to and that I'm going to stick to, and something that I can make money through. Not anytime soon, but it's to be expected. I'm ready for the journey. So right now I'm in like a pivotal time. Like I've tried a lot of different strategies out, and none of which have really worked for me. So I started with like gap trading. No, I didn't even start with gap trading. I started breakouts from people like Mamba and like Juvia, but it doesn't seem legit. Like, I'm at a time where I really question people's legitimacy, especially when they sell so many courses and stuff. I'm not saying I don't respect the grind, but I'm just trying to be profitable myself, and I just don't want to follow the wrong people or people who don't know what they're talking about. I'm not shitting on Mamba or because he's fucking cool, but then I moved on to swing trading. I think I just saw that as an easy way out because breakouts weren't being consistent. So yeah, swing trading, like longer term trades, it just seems so like smooth brain to me. Like, why wouldn't you do this? Because you literally buy high. Well, let's say you're just on like a bearish, not wedge, just a bearish trend. You know, you sell when it hits the top of the trend, and then you close your position when it gets to the bottom. Like, how can you go wrong with that? To be honest, I still don't see how you can, but there just wasn't enough people telling me that this is this is a reliable strategy. So I'm not gonna take my own word for it because I think that's quite a bad thing to do, especially when I'm trying to get into a market that could be my life. Yeah, after that I went to gap trading. Once again, I think it just seemed easy. It's just like market opens and well, my trading plan was 1.5 ratio the market open, trying to close it, fill, because it likes to fill. Usually does fill. So it's not a dumb plan, but it's so volatile on the market open that I kept getting stopped out. Especially today, I was testing it today, just demo trading. I'm not claiming to be like, a live trader yet, but I didn't see it. It really just wasn't working for me, and I don't know if it will. I've back tested, and to be honest, it's worked a charm so far. So it is something that I'm gonna continue testing, but yeah, not putting all my chips into that because once again, there's not many people doing gap trading, so that makes me think that it's not viable, not valid. Which brings us to the present day, where my friend, who I may be mentioning a lot because we're on this journey together, trading, he has been trading a lot of supply and demand, which I really like the sound of. Not even the sound, just the results. I don't think that's even the right thing to say. I think there's a lot to think about, so it seems viable because this is not just like, oh, this is easy, you know. There's a lot to think about, like time frames and market structure, breaks of structure that you can trade off. I really like the sound of it, so that's what I'm going to venture into this week. I know this has been a short video, but I really just wanted to tell you where I am now and where I want to be. I want to be profitable in the next couple years, so I'm really going to stick to this. I will quickly show you the ebook I'm working on that just documents my trades. Here is my ebook. Here are the trades I take. So I started this account on the 9th. It is currently the 18th. Yeah, you know, profit, loss. This is just like per day. But yeah, today's trade's really weren't looking good. I shouldn't have traded at all, to be honest. It wasn't really following my my trading plan. But I guess I was greedy. I need to get that mentality down. And then this is my supply and demand. These were swings, and these are all gaps, you know, like all the Qs and Disney. They're all gaps. So here is my supply and demands. I will show you this next week, and I'll show you where I will be. I didn't think too much on this GBP JPY trade. Shouldn't have taken it at all. This GU trade, this was really nice. I could have put in more, but just risk it. I like one-to-ones, risking 2% of my capital, which these accounts that I am demo trading are 1,000, which is probably what I will be starting on. Yeah, I think that's it. So thank you for watching. If you didn't watch, I don't really care, because it's not what this is for right now. I really just want to document and have something to come back to. And yeah, thank you. See ya.